Today I'm going to teach you how to change the hamburger menu design in Wix. If you're looking to give your website's navigation a fresh, customized look, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log in to your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From here, click on Website. This ensures you're working on your website specifically, not your mobile app version. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure this is the correct website you want to modify. If you manage multiple sites, it's important to confirm you're working on the right one before making any changes. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to proceed. This button is your gateway to the full website editor where all the customization happens. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the real work begins. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on the Add Elements button. This opens up a whole world of design possibilities. The Add Elements menu will expand, and you'll see a list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. Scroll through until you find the section labeled Menu and Anchor. Click on it to reveal several types of menus you can add to your site. Since we're specifically looking to customize the design of a hamburger menu, click on the Hamburger menu section. You'll be presented with several types of hamburger menus to choose from. Browse through the options and drag one that fits your style onto your website canvas. Once the hamburger menu is added to your canvas, simply click on it. A menu will appear at the top of the screen. Select the Design button, which looks like a pen icon, and click on it. This is where all the magic happens. You'll now be presented with several customization options to change your hamburger menu design. These include background fills, text styles, borders, corners, shadows, layout adjustments, and even the icon itself. Take your time to explore each of these sections. Adjust the colors, fonts, spacing, and other visual elements until you achieve the exact look you want for your hamburger menu. Once you're satisfied with your design, your hamburger menu is now fully customized and ready to enhance your website's navigation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.